Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the Atlas OS ISO where the target PC can access it. Mount the ISO on your host now so files are visible. Once mounted, create a network share with read and execute permissions and copy installer files into a dedicated folder. Make sure the target system has administrator credentials and remote access enabled. This lets you run installers without USB. These steps remove the physical drive requirement and prepare both machines for the next phase. Now you boot the target via network or run the installer over the share. If PXE or WDS is available, configure the target to network boot and select the Atlas image. This replicates USB boot behavior. If not, log into the target, map the share, and launch setup. EXE as administrator. Follow prompts and choose Custom Install for a clean system. During installation, monitor disk choices and drivers. You'll save time and avoid USB by delivering the image straight over the LAN. Finish by installing drivers, activating Windows, and applying updates so performance is stable. Once done, remove the network share to prevent accidental changes. If the system won't boot, check boot order and that the correct image was applied. Also confirm the ISO checksum and integrity. Should Windows enter a boot loop, use safe mode or the recovery environment to run startup repair and rebuild boot entries. These steps secure the install and resolve common network install issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.